Traveling through Europe is a dream. Trains, iconic cities, switching destinations, photos everywhere. But what happens if you run out of data in the middle of a train ride? An eSIM prevents that problem the moment you land. Today, I'll explain why Holafly is one of the best options to stay connected during your entire Europe trip. When you travel around Europe, your eSIM needs to do 4 key things. First, coverage across multiple destinations without interruptions. Holafly covers more than 30 European destinations with one single plan, from Spain, France, and Italy to Germany, Switzerland, and more. 2. Real unlimited data depending on the plan. No running out of data halfway through the trip. You can use Google Maps, upload stories, request an Uber, or make video calls without worrying about gigabytes. 3. Simple activation. No confusing apps or complicated setups. You receive a QR code, and within 5 minutes, you have internet access. 4. 24/7 support in English. If something doesn't work, you can talk to a real person on WhatsApp, no matter the time zone. All of this makes Holafly more than a price choice. It's peace of mind. Among all the options out there, Holafly stands out because their plans are designed specifically for travelers, not generic. They're made so you can move through multiple destinations without losing signal. You don't need to replace your physical SIM. You keep your original number, your WhatsApp works the same, and you don't need to juggle 2 lines. You activate it from home before traveling, which means you arrive in Europe with internet ready to go. Perfect for transport, directions, or simply letting someone know you landed. No surprise charges. The price you pay is final. No hidden fees. And if you need to extend your plan, you can do it online without losing connection. This is one of the biggest advantages when traveling in Europe. You don't need a different eSIM every time you cross a border. With Holafly, you can start your trip in Paris, go to Brussels, then Amsterdam, then Berlin, using the exact same plan. No pauses, no new registrations, no scanning for new codes. It's ideal for backpacking trips, multi-country train routes, family vacations with many stops, digital nomads, or business travelers. In all these cases, Holafly lets you move freely without hassle. Activation is very simple. It's just a few steps. Go to Holafly's website, link in the description, choose Europe as destination, and select how many days you'll need. Complete your purchase, and you'll receive a QR code by email. Scan that code on your phone in Settings, Mobile Data, add eSIM, use camera. Done. Your eSIM is installed and active. You can do this from home, even the day before your flight. Just make sure you have Wi-Fi to activate it. To use an eSIM, you need a compatible device. The most common models that support eSIM are all the way from iPhone XR to iPhone 17, including other versions, Samsung Galaxy S20, newer Google Pixel 5, some Motorola, and Huawei models. Not sure if yours is compatible? Check the updated list linked in the description. So, if you want internet in Europe the moment you land without roaming fees or hunting for local SIM cards, Holafly is one of the best choices you can make. It has coverage, simplicity, support, and most importantly, it works. I'm leaving the link in the description so you can buy your eSIM easily, along with the discount code. If you have questions, drop them in the comments. See you in the next video, and have an amazing trip across Europe.